Hey guys, I hope this video is going to be helpful and not completely useless. So if you want to turn off and turn on the noise reduction, so here you have to go to the dimmed menu items. It's going to be like the 3 or 4, and here you're going to have a long exposure noise reduction, and dimmed menu items can be set. The menu system dim another function settings overriding it. You can set the overriding function by selecting the dimmed menu item and pressing the set. If you cancel the overriding function setting, the dimmed menu it will become seatable. So this is how you're gonna do it. And when I'm going to right here, that's where you're gonna find the noise reduction. So yeah, that's it. And either way, I just like trying to find. Here you can find here like long exposure noise reduction, and then you're gonna have the high ICO speed and R, and you can change the level if you want to. So just want to make this like quick video on how we can locate it and how we can do it. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.